boss is leaving. You ever feel like you've been on a kind of a sophomore field trip?
Yeah. Road trip.
Chairman of the WWE.
Take me home, little man.
Yes, sir.
Vince McMahon has had enough. No more embarrassment. Get the hell out of here. Fireworks coming out of that moonroof.
Is he alive?
With the green.
Sir, you all right?
Oh my.
All right?
Too bad you banned us from the building, huh?
Yeah. Maybe next week you'll let us in. Happy 4th of July.